Hello Bloomington, I'm Mayor Tim Busse, and this is the Council Minute for the week of March 31st. At Monday night's council meeting, Bloomington Police Chief Hodges provided the council with a comprehensive update on public safety here in Bloomington. Chief Hodges had a lot of positive news to share, and the most significant is that over the past 3 years, crime in Bloomington has decreased by 8%, a trend attributed to strong leadership, community engagement, and innovative programs. Chief Hodges highlighted the success of the Bloomington Community Brain Health Services Initiative, which has already provided nearly 500 therapy sessions to individuals in crisis. This program has been recognized with multiple statewide awards and is serving as a model for other departments. The department continues to invest in community outreach, with events planned this year for youth, seniors, individuals with unique needs, and faith communities. Upcoming activities include safety camps, the Senior Safety Academy, and on Saturday, May 17th, the Bloomington Police Department Open House. Bloomington Police are also receiving national recognition for ethical leadership and character-based policing. The chief reaffirmed the department's core values of respect, transparency, and service to the community. Thank you to Chief Hodges, his command staff, and to the officers and civilian staff at Bloomington Police Department who work every day to keep Bloomington safe. Also on Monday, the City Council held a public hearing and approved a comprehensive plan amendment and rezoning request for Rainbow Midwest Play Systems at 900 West 80th Street. This change re-guides the property from industrial to community commercial and rezones it from I-3 general industry to B2 general commercial, which allows for indoor recreational uses. Rainbow Play Systems has operated in Bloomington since 1991 and has been at this location since 1998. As I'm sure you know, Rainbow builds and sells outdoor play equipment. You can see their products in backyards across Bloomington. And for several years, over the winter, an important part of their business model has become to offer indoor play space and to host private events like play dates and birthday parties. However, those activities weren't officially permitted under the site's previous zoning. Over the past couple of years, the city has focused on working with our Bloomington business community to provide flexibility where needed and to find solutions to issues that might get in the way of the success of the business. This is a good example of that. The rezoning formalizes Rainbow's long-standing operations, making all uses on the property legally conforming. It also supports a business that provides family-friendly recreation, local jobs, and healthy outlets for kids, especially during the winter months. Rainbow's motto is "Get Kids Moving," which ties in nicely with the city's values of wellness, community vitality, and economic resilience. We're glad to support their ongoing work. We look forward to seeing Rainbow continue to grow here in Bloomington. And finally today, on Monday night, we processed a grant proposal and acknowledged 2 grants for work from the state of Minnesota to invest in public health. I also read a proclamation recognizing Public Health Week, which is coming up the week of April 7th. And as we did these things to promote the importance of public health and to celebrate the outstanding work done by public health professionals in Bloomington and across the country, we have to acknowledge that we are seeing some big changes in the public health world. Changes to federal grant funding and federal workforce reductions are going to have an impact on public health in Minnesota. As I said, our public health team does phenomenal work. And on behalf of Bloomington, I want to offer our sincere thanks for all they do. We were reminded often during the last few years how important a strong public health system is and that public health is a team sport. The Minnesota Department of Health is one of the best state health departments in the country and is a fantastic teammate of Bloomington Public Health. The Department of Health is still working to understand how the state will be affected by the federal government canceling $226 million in public health funding in Minnesota. But make no mistake, the reduction of workforce at the Minnesota Department of Health will have a significant impact on Minnesotans' health and well-being. Our team in Bloomington is working to limit that impact here. That wraps up this week's Council Minute. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe, Bloomington.